Hi there guys, Owen here. Today I'm going out in the woods and doing a little exploring. We just got our first major big snowstorm of the year. Got almost a foot of fresh powder, so Piper, who is there, and I are gonna go do a little exploring. I don't have much of an idea of where I want this video to go. Piper's back there. It was just so beautiful out that I felt like I had to kind of get the camera going just to show you guys how beautiful it is out here. But I think what we're gonna do is just go up to a ridge around here. Sometimes you can see town from there. I doubt we will be able to today, just given the fact that it's still snowing, but it should still be a pretty hike. Show you guys this little winter wonderland we find ourselves in. Kind of flip-flopping back and forth on whether I wanted to wear snowshoes out here. Obviously decided against it. It's such light fluffy powder that it's pretty easy to wade through, but still there's been a couple bits where I'm regretting my choice of not bringing snowshoes. Really appreciating Piper taking one for the team here and blazing us a little trail. Of course she got her zigzags, but you know, makes my job easier. Haven't seen any other tracks except our own. It's so quiet out here. It's kind of amazing just hearing myself talk. I'm the loudest thing out here for miles. Well, we reached the top of the ridge, and normally through these trees right here, kind of in that general area, you can see town. As I predicted, low visibility making it a little hard. You can kind of see through the gap in the trees, like right there, a little bit, but not much. Piper is taking a little breather. She's been doing a good job clearing the path for me. Little dog-powered snowplow. There's something so uniquely beautiful about coming out after a storm like this one. The whole world just still seems to be asleep. We haven't heard a single chickadee, haven't seen a single deer track, like no other signs of life. And the snow just muffles so much of the sound around us that you're just kind of left with your own thoughts, and it's just you out here. It's a very unique, interesting feeling. It was dangerously cold the last couple days before today, and Piper and I are both kind of just stuck inside. I was going a little stir crazy, but I could especially tell that she was losing it, so it's been really nice just getting out here today and getting up and making up for the exercise that we didn't get in the past couple days. It's funny, it's only about, I think it was 8 degrees when I left, but compared to the last couple days when I went outside to get firewood or take Piper out briefly, It feels like the tropics right now. I got my coat unzipped. It's nice. I'm wishing I brought my skis right now. This downhill will be pretty fun with this fresh powder. I just love these sumac trees in the winter. The red berries all covered in snow. Always reminds me of Christmas and the holidays when I see them, even now in January. Piper loves sniffing through the snow, looking for voles and mice in this weather. To my knowledge, she's never caught one doing this, but she's pretty cute to watch. She does the jump that you'll see foxes do when they're hunting. Ran into our first other set of tracks out here. Other than this, I'm going to see who they belong to, but other than this, it's just been us out here. I think maybe I saw one bird, but really nothing else, just us and the sound of my snow pants swishing together. So I think this is about gonna do it for us today. Both pretty snowy. We hope you guys enjoyed coming along with us on this little journey through a winter wonderland. I know we had a great time. Really peaceful and quiet. I'm sure Piper's gotta be tired. She was trekking through and blazing the trail pretty much the whole time. I know I'm pretty tired. I can't imagine what it would be like if the snow was up to my chest. So thanks again for watching. We'll see you guys next week. Bye.